Today we're reviewing the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 55KPa 650W Stick Vacuum, a powerful cleaning solution designed to combine strong suction, extended runtime, flexible cleaning tools, and convenient storage features. Whether you're cleaning pet hair, hardwood floors, carpets, furniture, or tight spaces, this vacuum is built to handle a wide variety of household cleaning tasks. One of the standout specifications is its powerful 650W motor, capable of generating up to 55KPa suction power. This level of suction helps remove dust, dirt, pet hair, food crumbs, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Strong airflow allows the vacuum to capture fine particles while also tackling larger messes throughout the home. The vacuum is powered by a high-capacity battery system that provides up to 70 minutes of runtime. Long battery life is a major advantage for users with larger homes, allowing multiple rooms to be cleaned on a single charge. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of dragging power cords from room to room and provides greater freedom of movement during cleaning sessions. A unique feature is the included 3.3-foot extendable hose, which greatly improves cleaning flexibility. This attachment makes it easier to reach ceilings, shelves, corners, curtains, furniture, stairs, and vehicle interiors. Areas that are often difficult to clean with standard stick vacuums become much more accessible. The vacuum also includes a modern LED touchscreen display that provides easy access to cleaning modes and operating information. Users can quickly adjust settings and monitor performance while enjoying a more advanced and user-friendly experience. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to efficiently collect pet hair from carpets, furniture, and hard floors. Strong suction combined with versatile cleaning attachments helps simplify one of the most common cleaning challenges in pet-friendly households. Another highly convenient feature is its self-standing design. Unlike many cordless vacuums that require wall mounts or leaning against furniture, this model can stand independently, making storage and temporary pauses during cleaning much easier. Its lightweight construction improves maneuverability around furniture, under tables, and throughout narrow spaces. The vacuum can also convert into a handheld unit for upholstery, stairs, vehicles, and quick spot cleaning jobs around the home. Overall, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 55KPa 650W stick vacuum offers an excellent balance of powerful suction, long runtime, flexible cleaning tools, and convenient design features. If you're searching for a versatile cordless vacuum capable of handling pet hair, carpets, hard floors, and everyday messes, this model is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, check out the product using the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gadgetverse reviews.